So, in this guide, we're diving into the art of crafting an advanced content calendar using ChatGPT. We'll show you how to streamline your content planning process, ensuring you stay organized, consistent, and ahead of the curve. Ready to elevate your content strategy? Let's get started. The first step in creating a content calendar is defining your content goals. ChatGPT right here can assist by generating a list of potential goals based on your niche and objectives. For instance, you can ask right here in the input, like ChatGPT, outline methods for conducting audience research for a tech blog. Now let's see how this goes. Here's how ChatGPT is currently processing. Here are the following that are being listed. And yeah, great. These are some excellent suggestions there, ChatGPT. Let's see, competitor analysis, keyword search, and SEO analysis. Yeah, these are definitely top priorities for my tech blog. I can use these goals to guide my content strategy and ensure I'm focusing on the right areas. Next, identify the key themes for your content. ChatGPT right here can help brainstorm themes that resonate with your audience and align with your goals. For example, once more, you might ask right here, let's say, ChatGPT suggests some content themes for a health and wellness blog. It's a different subject this time. For instance. So let's see how ChatGPT would do all the work. Here we go, and yeah, perfect. These themes are exactly what I need to keep my health and wellness blog diverse and engaging. I'll make sure to include like a mix of seasonal health tips, say expert interviews and guest posts, family and community health, personal development and growth, and yeah, these could be great to be included in my content calendar. Thanks, ChatGPT. Understanding your audience is crucial. While traditional tools like Google Analytics and social media insights are essential, ChatGPT right here can also provide valuable input. Ask ChatGPT, once again in this input, like ChatGPT, outline methods for conducting audience research for a travel blog. Now, let's see how this goes. So here we go. These methods are really comprehensive, I must say. So by combining analytics, surveys, and direct feedback, I can get a complete picture of my audience. There are a lot more suggestions, monitoring, travel trends, so on and so forth. Yeah, these are really helpful. Now, let's leverage ChatGPT to generate content ideas. Simply provide ChatGPT with your themes and ask for topic suggestions. For example, let's go here in the input, then put together a prompt like ChatGPT, give me 10 content ideas for a fitness blog focusing on home workouts. You'll receive a variety of creative suggestions just to fuel your content calendar. See? And then, wow, these are fantastic ideas. I'll definitely incorporate these into my content calendar. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithms show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. With your content ideas in hand, it's time to plan your content calendar. ChatGPT here once again can help you schedule your content by suggesting optimal times for posting based on your audience's activity. For instance, you can ask right over here once again, then put in your prompt together here. Let's say, ChatGPT, what are the best times to post on social media for maximum engagement? Now, let's see how ChatGPT would suggest. Let's see right here. Wow, these suggestions are quite super helpful, right? I must say. I'll schedule my posts around these times to maximize engagement. ChatGPT really makes it easy to plan a strategic content calendar right here. So you can see each platform, YouTube, TikTok, each have the best days, best times, worst time. See, these are really detailed and really quite helpful, I must say. For each content piece, create a detailed brief. ChatGPT can assist, right here, can assist by generating comprehensive briefs based on your initial input. For example, you can ask, over here once again, let's say, ChatGPT, create a content brief for a blog post on home workout benefits. Then let's see how ChatGPT would do all the magic with this. As you'll see right here, this brief is perfect. It covers all the essential details and will guide the creation process smoothly. I can now ensure that my team has all the information they need, let's say sports team, just to do all the home workout video right here. Yeah. Establish a robust review and approval process to maintain content quality. ChatGPT can suggest an effective workflow, ensuring all content goes through necessary checks. For example, you might ask right here once again, let's say, ChatGPT, create a review and approval workflow for blog posts. Then hit send once again. So now with this workflow that ChatGPT had suggested right here, it's exactly what we need to ensure high quality content by following these steps right here so we can maintain our brand standards and consistency. Once your content is live, monitor its performance using analytic tools. ChatGPT right here can help interpret these metrics and suggest adjustments. For example, once more, you can ask, right, ChatGPT, how can I improve engagement on my latest blog post? For instance, that is. So let's see how ChatGPT would respond. Let's see. Optimize content, provide value, encourage. Based on what's currently processing, I think that's great insights right there, ChatGPT. That's impressive. So, as you'll see right here, ChatGPT makes it easy to understand and act on performance data. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up an advanced content calendar with ChatGPT. By following these steps, you'll streamline your content planning process, ensure consistency, and achieve your content goals.